a call me sign like this. Okay, you can see it's electrifying. You better shape up, cause I need a man, and my heart is set on you. Better shape up, you better understand. To my heart I must be true. You're the one that I love. You are the one I want. Ooh, 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 honey, the one that I want. You are the one I want. Fuck this seatbelt. Honey, the one that I love. You are the one I want. Ooh, 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 honey. Oh yes indeed. Fred Williams.
I'm trying to be David Bowie from Labyrinth, but I can't.
That has nothing to do with the song.
So? What the fuck?
Honey, the one that I want. You are the one I want. Ooh, 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 honey, the one that I want. You are the one I want. Ooh, 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 honey. Oh yes indeed. You're the one that I want. You are the one. Bow chicka wow wow. Wait, I didn't get that on camera. Do it again.
Is this like a striptease?
Is this like it looks really funny with the butterbeer experience shirt.
That's what I was doing. I was trying to show off the butter. Not my boobs. My experience. Gosh, Lena, you're so
Your boobs are so big.
They're gigantor.
Okay, I'm so excited because I get to see Ty today and I haven't seen him in almost 2 years. I'm really excited.
Nate Bean, Matt, and Jace were here, and we had a bunch of other people stepped over from the concert. And they're like blaming Nate Bean and Matt on the snoring. I'm like, well, let me go wake up the Nate Bean and the Matt, and I woke her up, and they're like, oh. I'm like, yeah, it's not them snoring.
It's Figgy. It is the dog.
It is the figster.
The figster.
The figini.
Figini.
She's a little bit evil.
Do you guys remember?
Oh, I got slaughtered on by a dog. That's all I got. He stuck his head in the toilet. I got slaughtered on by a dog. At Squib Girl's house. I don't know. I can't think of lyrics right now, but that'll go in the thing where I pull songs out of my butt.
Hello. What are you doing? Do you want a mustache? You want to draw a mustache?
Okay, well, let's just do it, and we'll see what happens.
Yeah.
Either way, right here.
Yeah, it's not
Friendship.
my bracelet. But you're like, I have a mustache here and a type of mustache right here.
I haven't seen him in 2 years. It's just so excited.
Oh yeah, I should show you the 30 seconds of her freaking out in the car on the way
Or
here.
me being like, I'm gonna go see Ty today. You should show him my pole
You should
dancing
see me
video.
at work if I hang
Oh,
up
I'll
the phone.
show you that too.
Farm.
She likes fruity stuff.
That's what I said, fruity, and he made me laugh.
That's why we're friends.
That's okay.
Yeah.
Well, I like it was just a drive. We pulled into it. We're like, this is
Gay jokes are gonna get
Okay, if you don't have anything fruity, then just like.
Yeah, once you get out of music theater, so they'll never do that.
That's it. That's the farm.
Yeah, that's true. But you can't let them get old. You're a music theater major.
Yeah, gay jokes
They just
are-
exist
they're
there.
Cell phones don't work when you get
It's where they were born.
It's a lot like herpes, you know?
Fucking strawberry treats.
We don't like it, but it's there.
Yeah.
All over our downstairs, and what are we gonna do? We're gonna carry on like adults.